Big update in the sexual harassment allegations made against the West Bengal governor. The woman who alleged in May that CV Ananda Bose sexually harassed her while she was working at the Raj Bhawan has now moved the Supreme Court, challenging the blanket immunity enjoyed by the governor. In her petition, she argued that Article 361 of the Constitution does not prohibit a police probe against the Bengal governor and that blanket immunity doesn't apply to criminal acts. The victim questioned if sexual harassment and molestation were a part of discharging duties by a governor. She has also asked the top court to frame guidelines on the extent of immunity which a governor can enjoy. The petitioner has further demanded that the police protection from the state and also a compensation for her loss of dignity as the state machinery has failed to protect her identity. Crossing over to my colleague Shreya to get us more on this. Shreya, now we know that the alleged victim has moved the top court. She's also made multiple allegations. Tell us more about what's going to be happening when it comes to court.
Of course, we see that months back, one woman who was working as a contractual staff in Raj Bhawan, Kolkata, have come out to allege that governor have sexually harassed her while she was on duty in the Raj Bhawan. After that, you would remember that she went to Hastings police station where the police have recorded her statement. Now, this time around, that victim have approached the Supreme Court and she have asked the Supreme Court to actually reinstate, to say what is the kind of protection that the governor is getting under Article 361. Now, the debate is that Article 361 gives blanket protection to the governors of the states and also to the president. It restricts to take any criminal proceedings against the governor or the president. Now, because of which police cannot take action against the West Bengal governor CV Ananda Bose. Now, these women who have been allegedly molested by the governor, sexually harassed by the governor, moves to the Supreme Court and says that this blanket protection is actually violating her fundamental right. And she says that the court should give a constitution, a detailed constitution about what is the extent to which the governor is being protected under this article. She also wants police protection for herself and her family. She also wants a compensation for the loss of dignity. In fact, she wants the police to record this statement and also to investigate this case.
All right, Shreya, thank you so much for joining us and getting us the latest when it comes to this case. We'll continue to track the developments here, especially when it comes to what takes place in the Supreme Court. Right now, we'll be moving on.